Hi guys, welcome to Automation Club, and in this video we will do some validation using Jasmine methods in Protractor. And in last video we discussed on asynchronous part and how to resolve it using promise chaining and async and await. Okay, so in this video we will do some validation, right? So let's continue. I will use the same script which we did for synchronous problem. Okay, so what I want is I want to do some validation, right? So I will just validate this title, right, whether it is coming as expected or not. So first do the same as earlier. Let me do like, okay, remove this. Then we can use then as well, but in means above steps we have used await, right, async and await, so we will use the same. Okay, so if we are using like this, then we have to give await, and whatever the text we are getting, we are placing that in text variable. Here we are printing, and then I want to validate it. So for validation you have to use expect. So this expect method is coming from Jasmine, and then here you have to give the actual value, and then if you click dot you can see the methods, right? So to equal, so this is from this website. So let me open that, what we are going to validate. Okay, enter Angular, username, password, okay, login, and after login we are getting home. So what I want to validate this home is displayed or not, the text message. Okay, so in line of code 16 I'm getting it from application, right, and I'm passing in text variable. Okay, so here by using expect method, what I'm validating here, the text which is coming is equal to home or not. Save it, go to command prompt to start Selenium server. WebDriver manager start. Okay, initializing all the drivers, and message has come like Selenium server is up and running on port 4444. Now we can run this script. Open terminal and run it. Protractor configuration.js. So what it will do, it will launch the application, it will do maximize, and then enter username and password, click on login button, and after that it will print like everything is done, because I explained this in previous video for synchronization. And then it will take the text message after click on login button, right? So the home message which is displaying, it will take that, and then it will verify whether it is equal to home or not, right? We'll see whether it is pass or fail. So see, output is pass. So assertion means which we use for as a expect and equal, and that has been passed. Suppose I want to fail it. Suppose like something home, welcome to home, welcome to home. Suppose I am expecting this one. Let's see now. So I want to validate whether text is equal to welcome to home or not. Now see the output and compare it. Clearly it is saying 2 specs, 1 failure. Okay, why 2 specs? Because I have written another 8 block. We will do something inside that as well. Okay, so here you can see expected is home to equal welcome to home. So it was not same, right? Because it is coming as a home. That's why it got failed, right? Better use await for each step to resolve asynchronous. Okay, so this is how we can use validation. So we can use like this only, expect text dot to, and we do have many methods like to match, to string, to throw, and one method is like for to contain. So what it will do, we need to pass the partial text. For example, while doing automation, we need to suppose a very big string is there. Inside that, just I want to validate some substring or some part of the string. So for that validation, we can use this to contain method. Suppose I am just writing HO, only HO. So what I am validating here? So this text should contain only HO, then it should pass. Let me comment line of code 18. Try to run it. Save it and run it. So instead of giving the whole text like HOME, I have only given HO. So this is very small example. You can do the exercise on multiple example as well by referring this. Okay, logged in, we'll see the output. See, output is pass as expected. Okay, so by using this to contain, we can validate partial text as well. So while doing a validation using Jasmine, these web methods are useful. Okay, so do one thing, like in second it block, because in one describe block we can have multiple it block. These will be the test cases. Suppose I want to do logout. Okay, so we'll go there, we'll click on this. Okay, so what we can take from here is like we can use link text. So element, I will just rename it logout test case. Logout test. Okay, element by dot link text. This is another example of locator which we can use. So wherever a link is there with a tag, we can use this method. We can just give the text and we can use link text dot click. Okay, use async and await. Fine. We will run it. Enter login and then it should click on logout. It clicked and it is complete now. 2 specs successfully passed. So this is how we can use Jasmine methods and the principle of it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.